Hello, guys. Welcome to a brand new series, Programming with Python 101. So, this course is meant basically for absolute beginners and also can also serve as a revision to intermediate, programmers who are coding in Python. Okay, so I'm the one going to take you this course. I'm going to take you through. My name is Mohammed Amin Ibrahim. I have 5 years experience in software development, and I'm the co-founder of Namibra INC. So this is my channel and my handle. You can reach out to me if in case of anything. Good. So we are going to look at this is going to be the course content. Okay, will this series is going to be in two folds. Okay, we have the procedural paradigm. So this particular one is absolutely for beginners. So we are going to look at the procedure and we also have the object oriented. So after this course, you can also take up the object oriented course. Good. So we will look at the procedural paradigm, like I said, then we will take a look at how to install Python on our local machine, then how to write our first Python code. We'll look at what variable is about, then data types. Then we'll also take a close look at how to receive inputs from users, then how to do typecasting or type conversion. We also take a closer look at string manipulation, arithmetic operations, and also some basic mathematic functions in Python. Then we'll go back again to look at lists and dictionaries, which is another data types. Okay. Then we'll look at repetition structures and control structures, then user control loop functions, and also we put a project called guessing the guessing game. Okay, so after these things, I think if you have a thorough understanding, this is a requisite, things you need to know as a beginner in the programming or Python programming in the nutshell. So after taking this course, we look at the broader picture, that is the object-oriented forms of Python. Good. So Python, with Python, you have a lot of opportunities. You can enter into web development with Django or Flask. Then you can also capitalize to be a data scientist with Pandas, NumPy, and that particular roadmap. Right. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorials.